Hi and welcome to my home cooking in my kitchen. So today is a really cold, blustery autumn day, so we're going to heat you up with some spice, and I'm talking sweet and savoury. So we're going to start off by making a really quick, simple honey paprika chicken. So to start off with, as it's raw chicken, I'm going to use some food gloves that I can just throw away. This is honestly the simplest, quickest dish to make, yet all the family love it. So I'm going to start off just by putting probably the equivalent of 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil in this bowl. Should be fine. And then to that I'm going to add a tablespoon of smoked paprika. If it comes out. It's a little much. And then we're going to add some runny honey. Just about a tablespoon. I'm just going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm going to give it all a mix. So we have a really quick, delicious, simple marinade here to put our chicken into. So now I've got just chicken breasts here that I've cut into like goujon sizes, and I'm going to pop these straight in to the marinade. I'm going to get them all coated. Always make sure when working with raw chicken that you wash your hands well and any utensils. Don't cross-contaminate with anything else that you're doing. So chicken's in, and now the messy part is we're just going to coat it all in this lovely spice marinade. Okay, I think that's our chicken coated. So literally, I'm going to cover this now, pop it in the fridge for around 20 minutes, and then we'll be ready to cook. Okay, so we're on our honey paprika chicken. So this has been marinating now in the fridge for around 20-30 minutes, so it's ready to go. So I've just got my pan over a fairly high heat. I'm not actually going to put any oil or anything in it because the chicken is marinating in oil. So we just get the fillets and pop them straight in to the pan. Hear the sizzle. And these really don't take long at all because they're cut into little strips anyway, so they'll cook quite quickly. Squeeze as many in as I can. We're going to cook these for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until they're cooked through. Okay, so we're just going to turn our chicken over now, and you can see it's getting this lovely colour on it. Which is exactly what we're looking for. I'm going to let it cook through now on the other side. Okay, so our honey paprika chicken has cooked now evenly on both sides. It's got a gorgeous colour, and it's time to serve up. See how gorgeous this looks. This actually works really well in a salad, just a plain, simple salad with this on top. It's gorgeous. Finish off a little bit of green. And there you have it, my honey paprika chicken.